Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be putting up the Insta360 X3 to the GoPro Hero 12 and finding out which one is the best one for you. Now, I love both of these cameras. They are absolutely amazing. Now, the GoPro Hero 12, it has a 5.3K resolution and the Insta360 X3 has a 5.7K resolution. Now, when you reframe that footage, it does downgrade that 5.7K a little bit, but that's because it's a 360 camera and it's taking footage 360 degrees. And also with the Insta360 X3, you are able to get that invisible selfie stick, so it looks like it's a third person shooting you while you're videoing. And GoPro cannot do that. You have to use a few different selfie sticks to be able to get rid of that selfie stick in the GoPro. Now, the Insta360 X3 does do single lens mode, so it can be a point and shoot camera just like the GoPro, but it downgrades that to 4K resolution. Now, it does an amazing job at 4K. Both of these cameras do have HDR. The GoPro HDR in the Hero 12 is a cracker. It does such a really good job, but the Insta360 X3 Active HDR does it in 360 degrees. Now, it does a great job at that. It makes sure that everything is in exposure and it is looking amazing. Insta360 X3 has me mode as well, so it uses the bottom half of each of those lenses to be able to get the shot. Now, that shot is at 1080p, but it also has that invisible selfie stick. So no matter where you're holding it or wherever you're putting it, you are going to be able to get yourself in frame every time. Now, you can't do that with the GoPro. If you move the GoPro around too much and you're not concentrating, you're not going to keep yourself inside that frame. Now, both of these cameras do star lapses. The GoPro does an amazing job at it, but there is one big flaw with the GoPro. Now, if you're setting up your camera and just before you start, you have a light left on and you press start, then you go turn that light off, it's going to hold that frame with that light on through the complete video. Now, with the Insta360 X3, if you do that same scenario, have a light on, then press start, and then turn your light off, it's going to get rid of that frame throughout the video, but the GoPro holds it the whole time. So Insta360 are doing a better job with the star trails. Now, when it comes down to the apps, Insta360 are doing a far better job with the apps than what GoPro are doing. You don't have to download your footage onto your phone to be able to use it in the app. With Insta360, it simply just takes it straight from the X3. But with GoPro, you have to download the file to your phone and then use it in the app. And GoPro does not have anywhere near the AI capability of Insta360 X3. They are the leaders of AI editing in any of these cameras. They can do so much for you and it's so easy to do. Now, with the stabilization, both of these cameras have great stabilization. The Insta360 has flow state stabilization and it is absolutely amazing. And the GoPro has hyper smooth stabilization. Now, I have put these to the test. I'll link a video just here if you want to catch up on that. That's with the DJI Action 4 as well. Hands down, I think that the Insta360 X3 wins with the stabilization because I put them to the test on the tracks and trails on my motorbike and the Insta360 just does such a better job. Now, also with the Insta360 X3, because it is a 360 degree camera, so once you finish recording and you go to edit your video, you can turn your view around and point it no matter where you are, or you can track yourself as well. But you can be walking around and if you come up to a beautiful little dam like this, and then you can spin the camera around to show everyone where you are at, or even go into tiny planet mode. It is absolutely crazy. With GoPro, you can't do that. You literally have to turn yourself around or turn the camera around to be able to get to those revealing shots. But with Insta360 X3, you can do it all in one go. Now, you also have the bullet time effect with the Insta360 X3, which is crazy cool and fun to do, but the GoPro does not do that at all. Now, the other big thing between GoPro and Insta360, that GoPro only takes a nearly 25 megapixel photo, when in single lens mode, the Insta360 takes a 36 megapixel photo, but in 360 mode, it takes a 72 megapixel photo. You are getting so much more information in the Insta360 X3 photo than what you are in the GoPro Hero 12. So guys, you tell me which camera that you think is the best. Leave a comment down below and tell me which one that you prefer. If you would like to pick up any of these cameras, there'll be links below. They are affiliated link and I do get a kickback, but if you buy through the Insta360 link, you will get a free gift with that as well. Everything else that I use, I will leave links as well. If you have found this video helpful at all, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time guys, I'm Colin from OColin out.